Here we got little Elvira. The littlest feral kitty. She used to be super scared, but now look at her. Brave little one. You can see here she's got her ear clipped. That means she's spayed. We trapped her and her brother and got them spayed a few months ago. Now we're having a bunch of extra cats show up. We got so many kitties. We're gonna have to figure out what to do there, but at least she's healthy and happy right now. We're gonna have to build her a house later too. Starting to get a little colder outside. You say hi? You say hi? Let's stick her. She didn't used to purr either, and now you can kind of hear her.